Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed that real quick packaging run through and feature rundown of the Roelao or Ralyin V8 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now in this portion of the video, I'm going to go ahead and give y'all my overall first impressions of these headphones. And then we're going to do a real quick first impressions fitting demonstration, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, first things first, I was very confused because the initial company that was named on these headphones was Roelao, but when I got the packaging and I removed the plastic, it said Roelao on the plastic packaging, and then when I removed the plastic, I saw a label that said Ralyin. So I don't know if these headphones are from a company called Roelao, or I don't know if these headphones are from a company called Ralyin, or it could just be one company with two different names. I don't know. That's why y'all see the title the way you see it. But that being said, talking about the packaging, you guys did a great job. It was very simple, very clean, very straightforward, really nice layout. Okay. The only thing that I would say was missing from the packaging was the charging estimates. They gave you battery life estimates and they gave you a basic feature rundown along with a basic button rundown. Okay? But I feel like the only thing that was missing was a charge time estimate. And also, I didn't see any waterproofing specifications. Okay, now in the marketing material for these headphones, I did see someone look like she was working out, but I didn't see any type of waterproofing specifications for these headphones. But also in the marketing material, I did notice that these headphones were marketed as being home or work headphones. So although there was somebody working out with the headphones on, these technically aren't marketed as being for workouts. So I think what I might do with these is I might just use them in the environment that they were intended to be used. So I don't think I'm going to take these on workouts, but I do think I will use them at work and at home around the house and still put them through a general review process. But that means I will not be carrying them to the gym. Okay, so the battery life on these is going to be exponentially better than my usual testing, because when I test Bluetooth products in general, I take them to the gym, I do everything with them, I even sleep with them on. In particular, I might not sleep with these on as well, because I've noticed that although I do get a good night's sleep when I use my headphones, it really is very rough on them. Very, very rough. So I may or may not sleep with these on, but I will still use them how they're intended to be used. So I'll use them at work and I'll use them at home around the house. Alright? Alright. But that being said, very clean packaging, very nice presentation. Good job, you guys. Now, moving on to the first impressions of the headphones. Now I got to give y'all two things already. This is another foldable swivelable style of headphones. So these air cups swivel and they fold. Now I'm not a big fan of that, because that basically to me means that these have two major breakage points: the folding breakage point, as y'all can see there, and the swiveling breakage point, as y'all can see right here. And the other headphones that I reviewed, or the other two headphones that I reviewed with this style, one of them actually really did, after my style of heavy usage, it made me feel like it would break at any point. That's one of the reasons why I don't like headphones that swivel, and I don't like headphones that fold. But that being said, that's how they chose to design them. It is what it is. Overall though, I do have to say the look of these headphones is very, very nice. They do look and feel like they have some very plush and comfortable ear cups. I'm about to try them on in a second here. And then you can see they do have nice physical clicky buttons, and they do incorporate a ANC, okay, or environment noise cancellation. They got both, as well as they do also support dual device pairing connectivity functionality, along with really good battery life. That's one of the three things that really drew me to these headphones. That being said, first impressions so far seem to be super duper solid. Now, all I've done since recording the first section of the video is I've unboxed everything. I charged up the headphones to 100%, and then I reboxed up everything to give y'all that true unboxing experience. Now, let me go ahead and try them on and tell y'all how I feel about the overall fit and feel in terms of the first impressions. Now, let me make sure I do this right. Okay, so this is the right side, and this is the left side. It's labeled right there, so I'm actually holding them backwards. I should be holding them like this, okay? So your buttons are going to be on your right ear cup here, okay? Let me try them on now. Okay. Very, very comfortable. Very, very light. Very, very comfortable. Nice solid fit on these. Yeah, when I have them on, it's almost like I feel like I don't have them on. Very light, very comfortable. In terms of the isolation, I don't really feel too much isolation on these. I can still very nicely hear myself talk even at my regular volume. So I hope I'm not yelling, but I don't feel like I'm yelling. But these do feel overall very comfortable. Let me go ahead now and take pictures of the profiles. Now we're going to do something a little different today. I'm recording with my main two recording devices. So we're not going to use the iPhone today. We're not going to use the Pixel 6a today. I'm recording with an S10e, and I'm going to do the photo samples with an S10e. So here we go. Let me fire this bad boy up. And let's take pictures of the profiles here. So let's do a front profile. Okay. Okay. And let's do a side profile. So here's one side. Okay, and let me do the other side. Okay, and let me see. Alright, so not bad. I can see my studio lights and my my overhead smart lights are making these kind of overexposed, but overall it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So let me show you guys. So here's the front profile. You can see it right there. Basic style Bluetooth headphones here. And then here's one side. You can see it right there. It does go over my entire ear, so really solid ear cups. And then here's the other side, right there. So super solid right there, super solid indeed, okay? And I do have my studio lights maxed out, so that's why it kind of was overexposed, but not bad at all. Let me take them off real quick, and let's put them down. So, first impressions of the fit, they do seem to fit very, very nicely. First impressions of the feel, I do like the overall feel on my ears and on my head, okay? I feel like these are going to be very, very nice. And this, guys and gals, does it for this unboxing and first impressions of the Roelao or Ralyin V8 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, you guys and gals, stay tuned for all of my extended coverage. And as I said at the beginning of the video, this was another product that came into the channel thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So I will go ahead and do my written review first and have that published first before you guys and gals start seeing my video coverage come out. But we're going to cover everything there is to know about these headphones. And we're going to cover it in a variety of videos. We're going to do a fit and sound demo. We're going to do a microphone test. And everything will culminate in my full review where I let you guys and gals know if these headphones are worth picking up. Okay? So y'all stay tuned for my extended coverage. And I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. It really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if this video piqued your interest, all the affiliated buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these headphones will be available down below in the video description. So please be sure, if your interest is piqued, to use the links down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So when you guys and gals make your purchase, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So as always, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Now, as I said earlier, today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Today's video was also recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And all of the photo samples you guys and gals see for the thumbnail was taken with the cameras on the S10e as well. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember, guys and gals, to keep it respectful, please. Also, as I said, I am using my professional studio lights to light up the scene here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall lighting and the overall video and audio quality. As I said, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. I'm gonna go ahead and dial my studio lights down and see if I could take a better profile shot for you guys and gals. I'll probably throw it up in the thumbnail for y'all to check out, but I'm gonna leave everything else untouched. Alright, hope you guys and gals are having a good one. Hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, man, another pair of inexpensive, truly wireless headphones. And these are another pair of truly wireless, inexpensive headphones that are supposed to be fully featured with really great battery life. So I hope that these headphones can deliver everything they advertise. Unlike the other ones that I just got done taking a look at, which left me a little disappointed. I hope these ones can deliver as advertised, and I hope I have a much better experience with these than I had with the previous ones. That being said, we're out of here. I'm rambling on. Have a good one, everybody. See you in the next one. Peace.